Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a good day today. Today we will be making a koi fish, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make a shape that looks almost like a water drop or a teardrop. So it's a curved line in, curved line out, make it kind of fat right here, and then bring it back up to a point. At this top of the point, we're going to make a shape that looks like this. It's kind of in and out, kind of flowy. This is going to be his back fin. And on the side of his body, we're going to make some more kind of organic shapes. Just kind of flowy little fins, just like that. Now we're going to go to his lips. We are going to make a circle that crosses right over that line. And then we're going to fill in a circle, just like that. Make it large or small, whatever you'd like. Now we're going to come back up here to make some eyes. So we're going to make some semicircles, larger semicircles, and even larger semicircles. Now we are going to come back here and we are going to fill in some little dots right here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to make his back fin, and it's going to be more pointed, kind of like a curved upside down V that's closed at the bottom. And then all along here, pick up your pencil or your pen or your marker. We're going to make a squiggly line. Here we are going to make some fins, which are just little upside down U's. Now, what you can do, because this guy is in some water, you can make some swirls going around to represent water. I always like to do that when I am creating water. So squiggly lines and some curly cues. And then also what you can do is you can make some circles that represent bubbles. Ooh, I'm liking how this is looking right now. All around. There we go. There's your koi fish. I hope you like him. Thanks for watching. Bye.